Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today we have an exciting comparison between two top-rated robot vacuums, the Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum and the Roborock Q7 Max. We'll be looking at their features, performance, and value for money. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, so let's dive in. Let's start with the price. The Shark AV1010AE is priced at $379, while the Roborock Q7 Max comes in at $599. While the Q7 Max is pricier, it's important to consider the features and performance it offers. When it comes to cleaning performance, both vacuums excel. The Shark AV1010AE boasts improved carpet cleaning compared to its previous model, while the Roborock Q7 Max offers a powerful 4,200 pascal suction, making it capable of lifting debris and pet hair from various surfaces. Additionally, the Q7 Max can vacuum and mop simultaneously, providing a deeper clean. Navigation and mapping are crucial for robot vacuums. The Shark AV1010AE offers faster mapping speed compared to its previous model, allowing for a quicker total home map. On the other hand, the Roborock Q7 Max features PreciSense lidar navigation, which provides incredibly accurate mapping of your home in 3D. It even allows you to virtually recreate your home by adding furnishings and flooring materials. Battery life is a significant consideration for robot vacuums. The Shark AV1010AE can run for up to 45 days with its bagless, self-emptying base, while the Roborock Q7 Max offers up to 180 minutes of cleaning on a single charge. With its specially designed battery, the Q7 Max takes the crown for longer-lasting cleaning. Now let's talk about the special features. The Shark AV1010AE allows you to schedule whole home cleaning or target specific rooms through the Shark Clean app or voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. It also has row-by-row cleaning for thorough coverage. On the other hand, the Roborock Q7 Max features a combined dustbin and water tank, eliminating the hassle of frequent emptying or refilling. It also has a multi-directional floating all-rubber brush, ideal for tackling long hair and pet hair. Both vacuums offer unique features, so it depends on your specific needs. Based on online reviews, here's the overall assessment of the two robot vacuums. And that concludes our comparison between the Shark AV1010AE IQ robot vacuum and the Roborock Q7 Max. While the Shark AV1010AE offers great value for its price, the Roborock Q7 Max impresses with its powerful suction, advanced mapping capabilities, and longer battery life. Remember to consider your individual requirements and preferences before making a decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.